Welcome back to my channel, Kaking Koy Vlog. Okay guys, for today's video guys, may bago na naman tayo napuntahan guys, ang Drag Cafe and Restaurant. Dito na nga guys, yan, nakita na natin guys ang lugar. Ang location na guys, napakaganda. Yan, dito lamang sa Alcobar, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Yan guys, dito na po tayo sa Cafe Drag. Okay guys, mayroong banda, may karaoke, pwede kang mag-jam guys. Yan, ng ambience. Alright? So, dito na tayo sa loob. Meron tayong chai.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, ito ang first set guys. Alright. Yan, kantahan, sayawan. Jam-jam lang tayo guys. Alright, nandito po tayo sa labas ng Drag Coffee guys. Ang ganda pa. Yan po si Carlin guys. Ang kasamahan natin sa Battle of the Boys Season 6. Alright, it's my turn guys. It's light and shade. Jump lang tayo guys. Life is too short, so enjoy our moment of our life. Okay, enjoy lang. Jump. Alright guys, ang pangatlong kalahok, ito na guys. Yan, the birthday celebrant guys. Yan, alright. Enjoy life. Life is short. Till my next video, bye.